see today is the finished gym, the aux gym that's completed now. We still have to put up the batting cages and the scoreboard. We're going to see that. Lockers are starting to go in. For the most part, they're installed. You can still see that's all the lockers we have left over here. So there's not very many left to be put in. We're starting to polish the stairs. And then I can't wait to get you guys down to the band, which has been, I think last time we were in there, we're just starting the demolition process in there. Student services, I think last time we were through there was still just drywall. So we're gonna walk into student services today and see a finished product that people moved into. And then we're gonna go over to area A, which is the academic space. And the third floor is amazing up there. We can actually see the central stair, which is the defining feature of the project. And the exciting part is we've actually started doing demolition down in the kitchen space, and then also in the first floor of academic area A. So a lot of tremendous progress over the last month and a half, and I think it's going to be pretty exciting. So you guys ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. Okay, let's do it.
So that's the ceiling of the stairs.
Yeah. That's the scaffolding is right below it.
Isn't it amazing? That's my favorite part.
Yeah. I want to let you know that Lori and I made some really good progress on is we've met with the Ho-Chunk Nation, and we've actually commissioned an artist to kind of talk about what the meaning of the Ho-Chunk is and the Thunderbird. And that's going to be displayed right over here where you see the new display box. And that's going to be one of the main features of the new entryway. So we're pretty